Welcome to today's class. We are continuing with our understanding of basic operations. We started with addition, and today we are continuing with it. We are basically looking at word problems on addition. Let's consider this first example. The example says, there are 4,340 pupils in John's school, 930 in Esther's school, and 69 in Anthony's school. How many pupils are there altogether in the three schools? For you to solve this, you have to look at the numbers given to you. Here we have 69, we have 930, we have 4,340. When you consider these three numbers, you agree with me that this is the highest. Then, when you look at the highest, you consider the value of each digit. This is unit, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1,000. Therefore, you have to write them down. You have 1,000, then you have 100, you have tens, then you have unit. Then for John's school, for John we have 4,000, 4 under 1,000, 3 under 100, 4 under tens, and 0 under unit. Then for Esther's school, Esther, you have 930. So 9 will come under 100, 3 under tens, and 0 under unit. And lastly, for Anthony's school, we have 69. 6 is under tens, while 9 is under unit. Then you add up. 009 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. Write 3. Carry 1. Put here. Here becomes 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. Carry 1. Put here. Here becomes 5. Then you bring down 5. Therefore, the total number of pupils in the three schools is 5,339 pupils.